Hey my friend, my name is VK. I'm so happy you made it to this video. I'm so happy you made it to this page. If you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, on behalf of everyone here at Real Village Media, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. In today's video, I'm going to do something very special. But before you start asking yourself the question to know if this channel is for you or not, let me tell you that on this channel, I make videos to show you how to make money online, how to start working from home, how to build a YouTube channel, how to get more views and more subscribers on your YouTube channel. And you will agree with me that the common factor here is to help you make money online working from home. That's what this channel is about. That's what I do here. And there are two reasons why I'm making this video. First, I made it. It happened. I wrote a new book, a new affiliate guide that I want to give you for free. You don't have to pay anything for it, and that's how I want to help you out here. The book title is Affiliate Guide to 6 Figures a Year, the YT Method. And in that book, you will see everything that I've learned since I started this journey to be an affiliate marketer. Things that I've learned from those who has been there and done it. And everything that I've learned from my own experience. In that book, you will learn what offers to promote in today's economy, what traffic sources to use for your affiliate marketing, how to start profitably if you are brand new to this. I also talked about the affiliate networks you should be working with, how to get approved to promote the best affiliate offers that we have out there, the least technical way to get started with affiliate marketing if you are brand new, or if you are making less than $5,000 a month with your affiliate marketing. This is what my new affiliate guide to 6 figures a year, the YT method, is about. So while watching this video, I will need you to do two major things. If you want to hear about me tomorrow, if you want to hear about me next month, if you want to hear about me in 1 year, in 2 years, in the years to come, make sure to go down and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified when I go live or I upload a new video on this channel. And second, go down in the description of this video and click on the first link to download your free copy of my affiliate guide to 6 figures a year, which will be yours and you can start reading it in the next 5 minutes. Open a new tab right now and go to realvillagemedia.com/get free book, and you will be taken to that page where I will allow you to download my new affiliate guide to 6 figures a year for free. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I thank you for your trust and attention. My name is VK from Real Village Media, and I will see you in a few seconds in the next video.